Hey there, JavaScript enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex coding concepts into bite-sized tutorials. Today we're diving into one of the fundamental building blocks of JavaScript, variables. Whether you're a newbie or brushing up on your skills, understanding variables is crucial. So let's get started. So, what exactly is a variable? Think of a variable as a container that stores data values. Just like a box where you can put your belongings, a variable can hold numbers, strings, objects, and more. In JavaScript, you can declare a variable using the var, let, or const keyword. Here, I have already linked my JavaScript file to the HTML and running the live server. Let's see an example of how to declare a variable. First, we'll use the var keyword. Var. Let's say we want to store someone's name. Equals. Inside the double or single quotes, let's write a name. John. So this variable having a name as a string. Simple, right? But wait, there's more to it. In modern JavaScript, we often use let and const instead of var. Let's explore why. Historically, var was the only way to declare variables in JavaScript. However, it has some quirks related to scope and hoisting, which can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior. To address these issues, ES6 introduced let and const keywords. The let keyword allows you to declare variables that are block-scoped, which means they are only accessible within the block they are defined. Don't worry, you will learn these topics in future videos. Here's an example with let. Let. Let's say we want to store a company's name. Equals. Let's say Microsoft. To display the output in the console, we've used console log function. Console. Dot. Log. Pass the company variable. Let's refresh the page. As you can see in the console, it displayed the company name, which is Microsoft. Now, let's talk about const. The const keyword is used to declare variables that are constant, meaning their value can't be reassigned after their initial assignment. Here's how you can use const. Const. Number. Equals. Let's say 25. If I make some changes to this variable, let's say number equals 100. Console. Dot. Log. Number. As you can see, it throws an error. Trying to reassign a const variable will throw an error. However, it's important to note that const does not make the value immutable. If the value is an object or an array, you can still modify its properties or elements. When you use const to declare an object, you cannot reassign the variable to a new object, but you can still modify the properties of the object. Let's create an object called myObj. Inside the curly brackets, name, let's say Peter. Age, let's say 21. Now if you want to change the value of age, you can do myObj.age equals 30. Let's display the output. Console. Dot. Log. myObj. So it's simply modify the age. Objects are similar to dictionaries in Python. We'll discuss these topics in the upcoming videos. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices for using variables in JavaScript. 1. Use const by default. Only use let if you know the variable's value will change. 2. Avoid using var to prevent scope-related issues. 3. Always name your variables meaningfully. This makes your code more readable and maintainable. And that's a wrap on variables in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.